Today we'll be showing Acura Srx and its fuse box location and OBD port. This one's 2003, but I'm sure they're similar, different years. So if you need the OBD port, it's right in here, right under the steering wheel. So the first fuse box is under here. All you do is just twist this way, and then this comes down, and it's right in here, right in there. You can get to it this way, and then more access this way, right in here. To put it back, just line it up. And twist it back. To get the second one, you have to open the hood. I think my latch is not working right. It's supposed to go up this way. The second fuse box is right here. Just press on these. There you go. And the information is on here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.